If you would like to study organelles of a plant cell, first you have to remove their cell wall. Isolated protoplast can be further manipulated and studied easily in the laboratory. This topic deals with the study of the cell wall and cell structure of a plant cell. To find out how a plant cell differs from an animal cell, we take a closer look at the green stem region of a plant. Numerous cells are present here. Each cell of this region shows a rigid wall called the cell wall surrounding it. Below the cell wall, a membrane called the plasma membrane is present. Some microscopic channels can be seen in the wall of the cells. Enclosed by the cell membrane is the cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains a nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and ribosomes. Unlike animal cells, cell organelles called chloroplasts are also present in the plant cell. The chloroplast is green in color and discoid in shape. It is bound by one outer membrane and one inner membrane. The interior is filled up by a fluid substance called the stroma. It contains stacks of membranous sacs called grana. They absorb light during the process of photosynthesis. Also seen in the cytoplasm is a large central vacuole. It is surrounded by a membrane called the tonoplast. The tonoplast controls the exchange between the vacuole and the cytoplasm. Inside the vacuole, a fluid is present. The vacuoles help to regulate the osmotic properties of cells. To summarize, we can see that a plant cell is made up of a rigid cell wall. Below it is a cell membrane, and the cytoplasmic matrix is present, which contains cell organelles like the nucleus, mitochondria, Golgi body, chloroplast, etc. A large central vacuole is also seen in the cytoplasm. When the plant looks dry and shrunken, we know that we need to water it as soon as possible. Water is taken up by vacuoles, which play an important role in plant appearance. Plant cell sizes increase or decrease depending on how much water is present in them. Explore with us to know more.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.